Hello dear fans. How to determine sodium chloride solution. Sodium chloride is the most common table salt that people eat every day. From the point of view of chemical composition, it is a compound that consists of sodium and chlorine atoms. In solution, table salt decomposes, or dissociates, into sodium ions, as well as chloride ions, and for each of them there is a characteristic reaction that allows them to be determined. Necessary: test tubes, heating device, silver nitrate, wire, filter paper, forceps or tweezers. Instructions. Step 1. In order to determine the qualitative composition of sodium chloride, it is necessary to select laboratory glassware, test tubes, and a heating device with an open flame. It can be a spirit lamp or a burner. In addition, you will need wire, filter paper, and reagents. Step 2. Qualitative reaction to sodium. Take filter paper, saturate it with sodium chloride solution and dry it. Repeat these steps several times to increase the concentration of sodium ions, which will ensure the validity of the experiment. Grasp the sample obtained with tweezers or crucible tongs and apply to the flame of an alcohol lamp or burner. The usual color of the flame will change its color to bright yellow. This indicates the presence of sodium in the compound. Step 3. You can do a little differently, namely, without using paper. Take a wire, bend a small loop at one end and heat it in a flame. Dip the loop into the sodium chloride solution, then bring it into the flame of the heater. As a result of the experiment, a bright yellow color of the flame will appear, which is a qualitative reaction to sodium. Step 4. Qualitative reaction to chlorine ion. Take any soluble silver salt, since it is during the interaction of silver ions with chlorine ions that a precipitate occurs. You can see the solubility of salts in the solubility table. The best option would be to use silver nitrate. Pour 2 milliliters of sodium chloride into a test tube and carefully add 2 milliliters of silver nitrate solution. As a result of the reaction, a white precipitate of silver chloride will instantly precipitate, the presence of which indicates the presence of chlorine ions in the test solution. Thanks for watching.